Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can set up direct deposit or auto pay with Alterna. So, if you're wondering how to do so, you may just follow up these steps. You can head over, log into the Alterna mobile app or online banking for that. Go over to browser or the application, and then you can head over to the login page first of all to log in. Look out for the login option in the top right corner once you are in the page, and once you tap on it you should be taken to their login page directly where you can enter up your credentials in your account and go to your account. From there you can find your account details. Navigate your account information once you are logged in and go to the Alterna form section to find and download the direct deposit pre-authorized debit form, which should be available like this. Here you need to provide in these details. You can complete the form with your Alterna account information and the details of the company or the person sending the deposit. So here enter up your member name, your account number. Right below it you can select if this form can be used in the void of check for setting up or modifying direct deposit. You can select your deposit billing company information, your company name, the street address, the city and the province, and even the postal code. After that is done, you can select the direct deposit and type of direct deposit and pre-authorized debit or payment for some services. After that is done, you can enter up the account, your frequency, your reference number, and your amount, and your next payment date. After that is you can provide any authorized signature and the date and joint if applicable. Provide the completed form to your employer or the paying entity once it is completed, and that should set up direct deposit and auto pay with your Alterna mobile banking application. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.